the ocean and seas are home to vast untapped energy potential. Offshore wind energy, wave energy, and marine solar energy each represent rapidly growing markets. Wave energy. The theoretical global wave energy potential is estimated to be approximately 29,500 terawatt-hours per year, with market valued at $36.7 million in 2023, with an 18.6% of compound annual growth rate through 2030. Offshore wind energy. As of 2023, the global installed offshore wind capacity is around 75 gigawatts. The global offshore wind market size was estimated at $37 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 8% from 2023 to 2030. Floating solar energy, $0.68 billion in 2022, projected to grow to $15.64 billion by 2029, with compound annual growth rate of 56.5%. Building on this vast potential, NoviOcean introduces its groundbreaking innovation, a hybrid energy converter capable of harnessing wave, wind, and solar energy in a single unit. This device integrates 650 kilowatts of wave energy, 300 kilowatts of wind energy, and 50 kilowatts of solar energy to produce 1 megawatt of renewable energy continuously, efficiently, and at a low cost. Unlike traditional approaches where floating wind, wave, and solar systems are deployed separately, NoviOcean integrated solution combines all three energy sources on a single platform. This not only increases overall energy output, but also significantly reduces costs by sharing the same structure, cabling, anchoring, and sea area. Designed to be highly efficient and low impact, the hybrid power converter targets key marine sectors such as offshore wind farms, ports and harbors, desalination, offshore oil and gas platforms, green hydrogen production, marine aquaculture, and coastal communities. It provides a sustainable solution to global energy challenges while supporting decarbonization efforts.